Hello, everyone, and welcome back here to what I believe we're going to be officially rebranding as the Automation Station here. New name for the show. Don't know why it's taken us this long to come up with that name, but Ben, Thomas, how we doing, guys?
Pretty good.
Doing all right. There was some breaking news like 10 minutes ago. New York Giants have released Daniel Jones.
Yep.
I actually didn't know that.
Yeah. You heard it here first. Not really, but Dillon did.
Wow. Okay. So that, I don't know if that really shakes your world or not, Giants fans. I mean, are we excited
about Tommy Cutlets now?
Okay. All right. Well, I'm wishing you guys the best of luck there. Don't even ask me about Aaron Rodgers and the Jets, please. So for today's show, we got a lot of good stuff going on. We, of course, will have hands-free trades here in a few minutes. I didn't even get a chance to update my portfolio, so I'm rolling with what I had last week. We'll take a closer look. I know you guys got some fun stuff going on as well. And a number of other things. We'll do some market analysis. We'll make our PeakBot picks live. Maybe a couple other things, guys. Am I missing anything?
Yeah. So what do we want to start with? We got some trader trivia. Do we want to wait in 2 minutes until we see some trades come through, hands-free trades? What do you think?
Yeah, why don't we take a look? What are you guys expecting for trades? This is going to come up in less than 2 minutes here. Before we jump into anything else, maybe helpful to take a look at that.
Honestly, for me, I'm testing a lot. I have no idea what's going to trade. I know I'm going to get trades. I just don't know where and when.
Gotcha. Thomas, what about you? I know you're doing some testing as well, but
I'm all in on Max.
Huh?
I'm all in on 0DT SPX.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah,
that was we had a really nice trade there yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday
tell us about it.
Yeah, so placed an Iron Condor yesterday, 65-cent credit for each contract or each condor. Great. Absolutely amazing. I was a little nervous though. Yesterday was some choppy price action. A lot of movement.
Oh, super choppy in the morning.
Yeah, that was a little scary. I was like, I don't even know. I'm a little nervous what's going to get placed, but of course it worked out.
Ooh, important question that just came in. Does changing your broker password mess up your connection? Yes, it does. We cannot continue to maintain connection if you change your password. Now, PeakBot never collects passwords. We never store passwords, but you need to provide the password for us to get what's called a token. And that token gives us access to your account. And then that token will need to be refreshed periodically. And if the password is changed, then that token will be invalidated. So it's not that we know that your password changed. It just means that the token is invalidated. And then that token won't be able to continue connection to your account. So you must disconnect and then reconnect like you normally would. It's that easy.
Excellent. Gentlemen, it is 12 o'clock. I realize I'm in the wrong link here. I want to get some access to banners. I'm going to be right back if one of you guys want to throw up your screen, see if we're getting any trades.
Yeah, I'll throw up my Tradier account here. We'll see if I get orders in this account or if it's in a different account or I don't know. Yeah, no orders here yet.
Be right back.
You be right back. And Thomas, if you're all in here, I don't know if we're gonna get in the orders here.
Why? What happened there? Oh, I don't have to take profit on. I'm surprised we didn't get a reversal entry this morning. Actually,
we got really close to a reversal entry.
Yeah. I wasn't looking at the charts, but I was looking at the P&L, and I was like, right around here we get a reversal. I was hoping for one, but not hoping for one. I think a little bit of greediness came in.
Yeah, don't get greedy. But we came very, very close to getting a reversal entry. I think for me, I've been testing, and this is why I don't know where my trades are going to show up, if they show up at all today. I've been testing a new feature that we're building out where you can you can choose the account that you're integrated with. So if you have multiple Tradier accounts, when you integrate, previously it was just integrating with your default account. When you log into your Tradier account, what account was default. But now you're going to be able to select. So I was testing with a bunch of that, and that's going to help us build on some new features in the next couple of months here where And here we go. I got a SPY condor that just placed, so I think I'm going to start getting some condors here. And we've got Dillon back just in time.
Yeah, Dillon's
So-
back without banner access, unfortunately. But I'm getting some trades here. I got some condors entering. Let me see if
I got my condors to enter, so happy about that. I guess I'm on banner duty today, huh?
You're on banner duty and on screen duty. This is not going to be fun.
Get the non-financial advice up there.
Yeah, let me do that.
No,
gotta find it. So many banners.
Yeah, hey, you know what? It's not that easy running the show, you know.
Yeah, but you know where the banners are.
I know. I look, it's on me. Filled on SPX today, the 0 DTE for $20 credit with max options trading. I just entered my Qs. If somebody wants to throw my screen up there, we can see it. So I just entered on IWM, QQQ, SPY. Nice credits here. As we can see, 47, 41, 47. That's the SPX. I'm expecting some trend spread trades. These all just happened, these three here. I'm expecting some trend spread trades within the hour to get placed. That window's now open. So we'll take a closer look at my portfolio later in the session here today. So all traded completely hands-free. Our Iron Condor, I mean, we don't need to talk about, this at length, but our Iron Condor has been ripping, boys. It's been a very, very lucrative, efficient strategy. And it's been a lot of fun. My account's been very thankful for it. You guys filling up on your Condors as well. I know Ben has these. Thomas, are you in on the Condor train?
Not yet. I am, but I was doing it manually. Doing it manually for a couple of days because then when we started, remember when we did it on the live show?
Yes.
Yeah, and then I just kept. Yeah, when I was placing the orders, I was like, oh, I'll just go place another one. I'll go place another one, place another one.
Okay, gotcha.
It's just been there. I've just been in the account, so I was like, why not? It's kind of fun. Right. I kind of like doing it. I don't know. Sometimes it brings back some fun.
Keep your manual trading interests off this show here today. Okay, this is the automation station, Thomas. Thank you. If we get any more fills, I will certainly be pulling mine up. And why don't we get into trader trivia?
Okay, cool. So went with a little bit of an easier question today, hopefully for most. Now, if you text the answer to this question, 973-888-1166, you answer it correctly before we reveal the answer, you will get 3 months of PeakBot for free as long as you're not currently a subscriber. So this is for all the new viewers out there. If you're a longtime viewer, feel free to participate as well. But the question here is, what does the S in the stock market index S&P stand for? And bonus, if you can tell us what the P stands for as well. So that's the question. Text it in 973-888-1166.
I will say this is a tricky one. I don't know that the average everyday person knows. The traders know this. Thomas is smiling because he's like, I learned this in second grade. Yeah, okay, we got you. Your dad loved training. Okay, but the options here, I have to say, at least 3 of these options, not unreasonable that it could be the answer, right? I know it. I didn't think I would know it, but having looked at the multiple choice, I think I got it. But if it was open-ended, I don't think I stood a chance.
I'm kind of afraid to ask you to answer, but we'll move on to
No, you can ask me. I'm pretty damn confident. Okay. But let's hit the did you know.
Okay.
Did you know in 2004, Google was priced at just $85 per share at their IPO, and if you had invested $1,000 then, it would be worth over $50,000 today. Now, how do you guys feel about? I see posts like that all the time, and every time I see it, I just think, yeah, I wouldn't still be holding this. Like, I wouldn't have held the entire time.
Yeah, no way. I don't like, personally, good information to exactly what you said here to show the growth of the company and these tech giants, right? That is why this is interesting. not only are you probably not holding it that whole time for 20 years, but, you don't know that Google's going to be the winner when it's just IPOing, right? Like these are, it's
some of
a
them.
crapshoot.
I feel like some of them. The only one that I think people would have not bet on was Amazon, because Amazon wasn't profitable for like decades. Like they were losing so much money.
Were you alive? in
Amazon
2004?
was a slow start,
Was I
but now
alive in
the real world.
2004? Yes, Dillon, I was alive in 2000.
Oh, you were alive in 2004?
Yeah.
Okay, good. In diapers. Can I give my answer to Trader Trivia here?
Yeah. I'll bring it up on screen in just a minute.
Okay.
Go ahead.
My answer is A, standard. That's my guess. That's what I genuinely think it is.
All right, Thomas. What is SNP?
What, the P? It's Standard & Poor's 500.
Standard & Poor's. Yeah.
There you go. That's right. Standard & Poor's 500. It's an index to track the performance of the 500 large U.S. companies. Companies could get shuffled in and out of that. Usually, you hear about that.
They're a value-weighted index, right? Is that out there? It's evaluated? Evaluated.
It is a value index.
It is.
And you'll hear more so. I guess it's more of a big deal if companies get mixed in and out of the Dow. That's a lot. It's a lot less. I think there's 30 stocks there.
Yeah.
30 companies.
Well, getting kicked out of the Dow is like a big deal. Because that's like Intel. Intel was just kicked out of the Dow, right?
And they dropped when that
Yeah,
happened.
stock's not doing so hot right now.
Well, for a while, there was like an easy call credit spread every single week for like 10 weeks.
Yeah, it was. I just got a new computer with my Intel Core processor and Intel graphics, and I'm just sitting here thinking.
Was this the day? Was this the day they got booted?
No, that was a long time ago. It was a while ago. Oh, was it?
Man, it was
No,
August.
Yeah,
that
I
long
didn't
ago.
realize. Yeah, I didn't realize you were on the day chart. Yeah.
Yeah,
That was back in August.
Hey, been pretty bullish since then, right? I mean, they're climbing.
Tiny bit. All right.
Um,
They got rid of their dividend. That's what really killed them. I sold the stock like not that long before it happened.
Oh,
I was
guys,
like,
this
so
just
happy.
happened. This just happened on November 8th.
Yeah. It was no, that's in August that dropped in.
Yeah, so it wasn't that. It was
yeah, but what he's saying is they just got dropped out.
yeah.
And it did well for
That
them.
was the effect right there.
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
No.
That's not them from getting dropped.
Let's move on.
Whatever.
Move on.
All right, so if you texted us the correct answer, we'll be in touch. What else do we have, gentlemen? Any other trades? Let me take a look and see if I had anything else fill on my end. Not just yet. We can take a look at PeakBot picks from this past week and see how we're doing with a few hours until we're done.
I know I got minimum one of them correct because I did place it and it did win.
Oh, you actually took the trade? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What do we think, Ben? You want to get a chart up? I'll read us some names here.
Yeah, I think we should do that.
You know what? I like that answer, man. I appreciate the confidence. Who won last week? I forget. Did Thomas won?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Thomas.
also have the highest win rate, but the least amount.
Oh, okay. Thanks for getting.
Wait. Thomas and I tied, but he won because of we changed the rules.
Premium. Yeah, he won because of premium. So I'm just curious. Yeah, you did. So I'm just curious to know who you want to see first here of the three of us. Who's picks?
I want to see myself.
All right, let's do it. So CVX, Thomas was for the first time in a long time. Thomas was you got 3 bolts.
Yep.
CVX was that Chevron. Bullish earned $61 in premium, trying to stay above 157.50. Nicely done.
He did.
Is that the one you took? No.
No, I took McDonald's.
Okay, well, let's get into it. McDonald's bullish, $63 in premium earned on the put credit spread, trying to stay above 285 expiring today.
I just want to point something out. I called this when we were looking at it. The whole reason was the 285 support.
Yeah.
If you see where it dropped and then rebounced right there, go a little down, a little bit up. It was like a perfect 285.
Yeah. Nicely done.
Yeah.
You're so cool, Thomas.
I know, right? It was like perfect. Called
And
it out.
where did this week start? Can you hit the 5-day? So although the stock has declined on the week and Thomas had a bullish trade, if things finish similar to where they are right now, he could still be wrong and be right. That's fun. Okay, 2 for 2. And your third one was ticker CAT, C-A-T, $140 in premium earned. That was a good one, Thomas. Trying to stay above 375.
And he does. Thomas is 3 for 3.
It's hot. Look, I don't know what you're doing if you're not running with
He's on a
Thomas. This is
roll.
going to be very quickly. This is going to come into treating you like a sports bettor, and we're just going to start running with your picks. I'm not kidding. Kid's unbelievable. Oh, I just entered on Roblox. Just entered on Roblox. Closed my trend spread trade for this week and opened up a credit spread for next week for 16 cents, $16. Anyway, just want to share that completely hands-free. Thomas, 3 for 3 for now. Ben, let's go to you. This is weird. I'm looking at this. Thomas had 3 bulls last week. Ben, you had 1 bear, 2 bulls. Okay, and I think I did the same thing. So let's hear Ben's. SMCI bearish, call credit spread, 66 in premium earned, trying to stay below 23.
Ouch. Ouch.
Wow, that really...
You sure that was my bearish play?
Yeah, I don't know if that could actually be a bearish play. That had to have been a bullish play.
Oh, boy. I have it right here. SMCI bearish, 23.66.
Yeah, looks like on Monday we opened and then we just kept rolling.
All right, cool. So I wasn't wrong. I'm relieved. NVDL bullish put credit spread, really crazy premium.
And
200. Sorry,
obviously he did that on earnings.
$260 in premium earned, trying to stay above $69.
I did that on the video earnings. I did. That's right.
Did you know that going into it or no?
I think he did.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, it's for the show.
Oh.
Yeah, it's for the show. And then GM, General Motors, $18 in premium and put spread, trying to stay above 55.
Okay. 2 for 3. Not gonna win it this week, but 2 for 3.
Just entered on my Square credit spread. It's all happening right now. Square, Google, M&M, J&J. I should be getting this pulled up. Let me pull this up.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen or what?
Yep, here we go. All right. So unfortunately just missed this. But since it was last on, we can see Roblox closed my trade for this. Oh, still open. Working to close it for this week. Entered a new one. Got Square rolled over, Google rolled over, Triple M, and J&J closed my current one for this week. So all happening right now. You can see all my positions down here. Got a lot of stuff going on. I would never be able to manage this manually. So very cool. All right. So Ben was 2 for 3 right now. Thomas is 3 for 3. Mine, let's fly through it. First one was, funny enough, J&J bearish. Just was looking at the trade I actually took. 21 in premium, trying to stay below 157.5. Okay.
Good.
Right now we are. Triple M. You know what? I took all the trades that I picked in the contest I actually traded. You just saw them. Triple M, bullish, 57 in premium, trying to stay above 128. Oh, killer.
What was it say?
Hit the 5-day. Let me see the 5-day. I'm trying to stay above 128. All right. Well,
you have something.
They have a little movement. There's life. There's life.
Get a little pump at the end of the day, maybe.
We can get a little life. Walmart, bullish, 61 in premium, $81. Trying to stay above 81. Don't even try it. God damn.
Keeps going up and up and up.
Just getting tattooed on my chest. It's going to happen.
Should have bought gold back at the beginning of the year.
Yeah, dude. I'm wheeling and dealing Walmart right now. Collected, what did I make? I had an 85, my personal trade, I had an $85 sold put. And and an $83 bought put. So I was only risking 200 and made a nice little premium on that one. Cool. All right. Well, what about all right. So I was 2 for 3. Ben was 2 for 3. Thomas is 3 for 3. We'll review Monday. We'll finalize these results. But excellent. How about picks for this week? Or some SPY? Maybe just a little SPY analysis.
A little SPY.
I wouldn't mind doing that.
Broke the SPY for a minute. John, what'd you get at Dunkin'?
Just a medium iced black coffee.
Wow.
Yeah. Better for the diet.
No more cream on the top?
Not recently. The body views black coffee as water, so it holds a fast.
It does.
Yeah.
It also keeps you fuller longer because it's caffeine.
Should I do a live weigh-in? Should I go off camera for a minute and give you guys my live weight? Let's not. Actually, if you have a guess as to what I weigh, throw it in the comments. And if you hit it, if we get some guesses and you hit it, I will go weigh myself. Okay. Put it in the comments. And I don't know if I can even see the comments with my access here today. Yeah, all right.
I got it.
SPY. Technical analysis for the next week. 15 buy signals, 9 neutral, 2 sell. Oh, we got to guess at 190. That's very nice of you.
190. I think I weigh 190.
All right, I'm 6'1".
Yes. Yeah, wait, yeah.
You don't know how tall I am.
Yeah, do we want to stand up? Do we want to do a quick stand up?
No, I don't.
No, don't embarrass him like that.
Plus, no thanks. Over the month, 17 buy signals. Now, 9 neutral. Ben Thomas, let's talk about this. Because look, technical analysis for somebody like me, I don't like looking so much further into it. But would you guys argue that with the market and how it's been lately, sometimes this technical analysis can kind of just be skewed a little bit? What's your trust factor looking at this? What do you guys think when looking at this?
So with this, especially because it's the SPY, it's always a buy, right? Like you can never go wrong buying the S&P 500. So it's really, you're going to be looking at it. Well, you can go wrong, but in the long term, historically speaking, you can't necessarily go wrong. So it's really just going to be more short-term beliefs, and dips should be considered buying opportunities or times to see moves up. So like last week, Ben, if you want to scroll up for a minute, like we saw it drop, right? And then I think the reason was, well, that was what was previous resistance is now going to turn into support, and we're going to see a bounce. And that's when I went for 3 bullish. So kind of looking into it like that, you're going to be able to make better trades in just terms of getting, especially if you're doing quality stocks with positive betas. And if people aren't familiar with what beta is, it's the way that the market correlates with the stock. So if something has a 2 beta, then it's going to move 2% for every 1% the market moves. So that's going to be the way to trade it. But long term, you can't go wrong buying it. So that's why they're always going to have buy signals.
Ben, what's your thoughts on it?
I think that the technical analysis lags a little bit. I mean, it's still a good tool to use, but it's just going to lag a little bit. So it's not going to be, completely up to speed with market movement, which is why, it's not really factoring too much of that downturn last week into it. Like overall, when we look at the chart, we're up, right? Yeah. Market's bullish. We've been moving up since August, really. We had a bad 2 weeks in July, but after that, it's been up and up.
Yeah, because you got to remember, even if you did buy it at any of those times, you'd still see a positive return right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So even if it does
drop,
I
think it's a great confirmation. Like if I'm bullish on a stock and then I look at the analysis tool and I see bearish on there, then I'm going to think twice about it. I'm going to go through my whole checklist.
Sometimes, so what we're getting at is a lot more effective for the individual stock as opposed, at least for this tool. And you can click in on that trading view chart there, Ben, right in the bottom corner of the SPY chart. And I just wanted to show one thing. It's a free tool. If you click in, one thing I was looking at on the bottom right-hand side, Ben, if you scroll down, you'll see the returns. And just kind of speaking to what those right there, the green boxes. I know it's hard to see, maybe zoom in, but, returns over the last month, the last quarter, the last year, 3 years, 5 years. I mean, what's there to argue with there, right? I mean, SPY goes up. So excellent. All right. Good analysis. Thomas, I think I'll hand you the keys to the car again as for picking the order here.
Ooh. Bend me, Dillon.
Okay.
Why I always put Dillon last?
He's trying to just
Did I
make
do
sure I
that
don't
last
have
time?
Walmart.
Well, no, because we know we're going to give you Walmart.
It's been stolen from me in the past.
Only like once or twice.
Quick announcement, because I had to change this when I logged into my alerts account today.
Yes.
We've transferred everything over from usepeakbot.com to peakbot.com. So if you are an alerts service subscriber, you now can go to alerts.peakbot.com versus alerts.usepeakbot.com and get all the information you need there.
Perfect. Love it.
It looks like I'm going to have to make some updates to some of the plugins we were using because there is no color coding on the watch list right now. Let me check, and I might have to do this just for today.
In-app?
Might have to do in-app watch list. Yep. That's what I'm going to have to go with today.
I'll be doing the same. I think we'll all be doing the same. Thomas goes in-app anyway, I think.
Yeah, I'm always in-app.
Okay, cool. I do prefer the alerts watch list, but no real reason why. All right, somebody get a timer ready. Let's do this. Got it.
Ready, set, go.
All right, so for the competition, I like to sort by buffer, as we know. I like to give myself as much opportunity to be wrong as possible. However, that hasn't necessarily got me too many wins lately. Thomas, what do you sort by? I'm going to do whatever Thomas does.
I don't want to tell you.
All right,
I'm
going to sort.
Next time you can listen to me today, and then, well, really, it's about my strategy. It's not really about what I sort by.
All right. So when I am picking for myself stock stat into my automated portfolio, I do sort by probability of profit. So I'll do that this week, and we'll see how things go because I want to give myself the best chances of winning here. And I'm going to look for high pop, high buffer. And in this case, I'll say high buffer means 3% plus. So let's go back to the top of the watch list. I feel neither bearish nor bullish for the coming week. I think that we'll probably try to stay in a range like we did kind of this week, although you could argue this week is a little bit more bullish. So let's take a look at AMAT, bearish play, moderate risk. Let me go to the charts. AMAT, bearish, definitely looks bearish. Analysis is telling me there are a few buy signals. Now in the month, we're looking at a buy. I don't love it. Put me down for maybe for AMAT, 180 strike, bearish, 180 strike, $44 in premium. All right, we're going to keep going down this list. I'm looking for the next one with 3% buffer. GM, General Motors. That was somebody's pick. It might have even been mine last week. Bullish. The numbers look pretty good. I like pop. Bullish, $57 strike. Let's see what that looks like on the chart. Big gap up today. So I don't love that because it might be a pullback. So I'm going to skip GM. How much time I have left? Hello?
2 minutes and 33 seconds.
Okay. Delta Airlines. Okay. Look at that. We'll look at Delta. Good prop, good pop, good buffer. Kind of settling down there. We look at the week. Man, just not a ton of buy signals on the week. Put me down to maybe for Delta, DAL, bullish, selling the 61 strike, and that would be for $20 in premium. And then let's get, in the case of a tiebreaker here, let's go for some high premium. Yeah, micro strategy. Very high
with premium.
Bullish.
You're going MSTR?
No, probably not. I'm going to look at Coinbase, though.
Oh, might as well.
Lower pop. Coinbase is bullish on the watch list right now. How much time?
1 minute, 10 seconds.
Yeah, I'm running out of time here. Yeah, Coinbase. Give me Coinbase.
Bullish.
Bullish. 287.5 strike. 482 premium.
$482 premium. All right, you got 43 seconds remaining if you want to.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for one more to replace my first one.
Okay.
I'm gonna look at On. ONON. I've not heard of this company.
I feel like that means that you probably shouldn't go with it. No, actually, go with it. Go with it. I'm not gonna help.
Probably not. All right, we're gonna keep going down the list here. McDonald's, and I get to choose. It's neutral.
That's fun. 16 seconds.
Oh boy. Oh boy, that looks bearish. But the technical is saying bullish.
5 seconds.
All right, I'm locked in. I'm locked in.
All right. That'll do it. Okay, so Ben, ticker AMAT bearish, Delta Airlines, ticker DAL bullish, and Coinbase bullish. We'll have the details shared on socials. Thomas, you say you're up next?
I'm ready. Let me. Actually, I'm not ready. My screen's not sharing.
Yeah, but what he means is he already has the stocks picked because he doesn't.
No, I don't do that. I know you guys think I'm cheating, but
By the way,
you can just trade my picks. It's all right.
I'm sitting here, competing against you, so I'm just giving you a hard time. Here's the thing: we challenged the internet. Okay, just a quick note. We challenge you listening. Okay, and anybody who wants to step up to take on our elected picker, which right now will be Thomas, unless something changes. Take on Thomas, beat him in a game of PeakBot picks, just like this, mano a mano, 5 minutes, 3 picks, win, get $500, a year of PeakBot Pro subscription, and some sweet PeakBot merch. Wake up, people! All right, Thomas, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, you're not because your screen's not on.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's sharing.
I can't share it,
Ben.
so we're a little strapped. Somebody get it up.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
All right.
It's working.
You got to zoom in, kid. Zoom in.
Oh, you're right.
Zoom in, kid.
All right, we're in.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, so we're gonna go 2 bulls, 1 bear. All right, that's gonna be the strategy for the week. I'm actually I kind of like Home Depot over here. No, I didn't. We can go through my search history, Dillon. It's all right if you're upset.
Let's not do that.
All right, so Home Depot, it is sold strike at 410. I don't hate it. It hit some resistance at 412 in the past. So maybe 410 could be a bottom. Let me keep scrolling. Actually, I kind of like it. No, actually, I want to go Home Depot. I want to go sold strike 410. Or paying out, what was it? $139 in premium.
So bullish 410, 139.
139.
Home Depot HD. Go ahead.
Yep.
3 minutes and 45 seconds, man.
I always like Exxon. Ooh, there's a Walmart here. Maybe I don't want to take that one. Okay. I want to look for higher. I like probability to profits above 70, ROIs above 10%, and typically the budget's within 500. Home Depot broke that a little bit, but I think it'll be good there. JP Morgan.
So you still only have the one submitted, correct?
Yeah, I only have the one.
Okay.
So JP, I don't even like this chart. I want to stay away from it. But let me double check. So the sold strike is 242.50. Nah, I'm out of it. I don't like it.
2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining.
This might be the longest I've ever spent right now.
Ben, you got a separate timer going?
Yeah.
Oh,
Kid can't trust me on the timer.
Well, I don't know. I thought you just timed me.
let's go Morgan.
I always
Stanley.
time both of you guys.
As you should.
MS.
Ben, Thomas, better get a pick in here, dude.
I know. I'm looking. I'm not seeing anything. Maybe I want to switch over to bearish. Actually, maybe I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I think we're going to go bearish, and I think
Great
we're gonna
Thomas collapsing under pressure.
I think I'm changing it up here. I want to look at Uber. Those bullish picks weren't really looking too good. Oh yeah, see, these are the kind of charts I like. I like this volatility there. Got to stay below 72. That almost looks like free money. Look at all. There's space that's got to be filled down to like 68 to hit this level. Yeah, give me Uber at 72.
This is bearish.
This is bearish.
72 premium.
And $36 in premium.
Okay. 1 minute, 35 seconds remaining.
Yeah, let's take a look at Boeing. BA. Oh yeah, it's getting killed.
Oh, it's been getting killed.
But that's some
some support.
Long-term support. I don't feel like playing with it around there.
All right, well, you got 1 minute and 8 seconds.
I do want to go back to a bullish pick. I don't really want anymore.
Somebody come challenge this kid, will you?
I don't
YT?
I don't want any more bearish.
I don't know if I feel as confident putting Thomas up against anybody for
Yeah,
$500 anymore.
We're gonna have to have
I'll still go 3 for 3 next week. Don't even question that.
46 seconds.
46 seconds.
36. 30.
Give me a second.
Well, you have a couple.
Hold on. I know. I got it.
You're gonna
this is tough.
15 seconds.
We're gonna go blind trade Robinhood 34.50.
Is this bullish or bearish?
Bullish 34.
Okay.
Shooting from the hip here, Thomas.
Wait, I need the numbers again. Give me the numbers again. Hood,
$41 in premium, $34.50 strike price.
Thanks for reading that backwards.
My bad. Oh,
all right.
This one could stop me from going 3 for 3.
All right. Well, that's what happens when you're running out of time. Okay. So, Thomas, well done. Let's get back to the normal screen here. I'm gonna update my watch list, and we're gonna get in here. We're gonna get going.
Gonna need you to share your screen, sir.
Oh yeah, it's here.
Yeah,
It's there. Somebody's got to throw it up.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, we're gonna be looking for some high pops here. Okay,
Zoom,
high pops.
Zoom.
High pops on a low risk stock. That's what I like to see. Pepsi bearish. What am I trying to stay below? 165 PEP. Nobody selected that, right?
Not Pepsi, no.
Okay. Below 165, since they fell off this ledge here, they haven't really gotten above 161, and it looks like they can be met with some resistance here. Absolutely. Yeah, it's a horrible premium pick, but I'm going to do it. Pepsi, bearish, trying to stay below 165 with a $14 premium. That's not going to get it done now. Whoa, MicroStrategy. Okay. Costco.
Sorry, you said Pep 165 was the strike?
Yeah, and then $14 in premium. I'm liking this Costco here, bullish above 950. Could that possibly be correct? Is Costco trading that high? How did I not know this? This is almost as good as Walmart's chart right here. I can't believe this. Sorry for not looking in the camera and getting my side eye. Costco trying to stay above 950. It's a $20 spread and $280 in premium. Above 930. Above 950. Where are we at right now? Okay, so 950 is right here.
3 minutes left.
It looks like we should be able to do that. I love this. Okay, Costco bullish. Strike price is $950, and the premium is $280. Okay, so I have a ridiculous premium play. I have a really boring premium play. Let's just go back to POP. I have one bearish, one bullish. Let's just find something I like here. I'll look at Apple above 225. Above 225. So we're really seeing above 225. That's right here. That looks like we've had some support tested twice right at 226. That was okay. How much time I got left?
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Okay. Let's look at lows above 260. Lows above 260. Lows above 260. Yeah, I like it. Give me lows, bullish, above 260, $38 in premium earned. Lock me in.
All right. You've got Pepsi bearish, 165 strike, $14 premium. Costco bullish, 950.
Somebody.
Costco bullish, 950 strike, $280 in premium. Then you've got Lowe's bullish, 260 strike, $38 premium. And then what was Robinhood? Because in the notes you sent over, you didn't indicate bearish or bullish.
Bullish, 34.50.
Bullish.
Okay. I like this. I really like the new wrinkle with the premium, having to take that into consideration.
Just for tie-breaking purposes. We still want to win.
Yeah, still want to win.
I kind of like the rock, paper, scissors, though.
We'll find a way. We can take on when somebody comes and challenges us. Maybe we'll work in the Rochambeau again. Fantastic. All right, so Thomas is in the lead right now with a few hours left in the market. We'll see if he can continue his run here. You're going to be close. I think the overall record, Ben and I are like 3-4. You're now 2-5. We're getting back into a real tight leaderboard here. But again, yes, you are running away with the win percentage right now. So we'll get that updated. What was it last? 80? Was it 85%?
No, it was like 87 or something.
87%.
It was actually, no, I thought it was like 92.
I think you were 18 for 21. I think you only had 3 wrongs, whatever that is. So we'll get it posted. We'll get it updated. Gentlemen, what else do we want to mention here? We have a Black Friday sale. Okay. Ben, maybe you can get that pulled up. We are 2 things: 50% off of PeakBot's automation Okay, PeakBot subscription, anywhere between $29 and $99 a month. Go ahead and zoom in on that pretty good.
Yeah, zoom in.
So using code Black Friday, you'll get 50% off of our automated bots, the Wheel, Iron Condor, Trend Spread. Okay, this is valid through, well, it's valid through Cyber Monday, December 2nd. Okay,
Yeah.
and then 50% off of our master classes. Okay, no link needed. You just go to our website, peakbot.com. And Ben, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the button to click on to take a master class. 50% off. Ben and I are coaching them ourselves. You get one-on-one. We alternate. We share how to get proven results with our winning strategies, great guidance, capital allocation breakdowns, model portfolios, risk management, a ton of really, really great stuff. So you can go to our website and take advantage of that Black Friday deal. Just go to peakbot.com. Otherwise, you can find this all at peakbot.com/masterclass-exclusive. Make sure you get that exclusive in there. That's where you're getting half off here. So check it out. 4 1-hour coaching sessions, PeakBot alerts for life, trade journal, credit towards subscriptions, follow-up sessions. Get in there.
Then you get a free gift. We have to add that to the website too. At the end of it, you get a free gift, surprise gift.
Little surprise inside. Okay, cool. Do cereal boxes still do surprises gifts inside?
No, I miss those. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were
I don't
kind
know.
of
I
fun.
guess they don't really do it anymore, huh?
Yeah, kids were probably like choking on them. Parents probably weren't watching them. You know.
There's a story we can find. I'm sure we can find.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Gentlemen, anything else we want to cover here today?
No.
I think we're good. Let's get back to it. Crazy times at PeakBot High here. You know, business is growing, and
we're hiring.
We're hiring.
Yeah. What?
Go to LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Find our job posting. We're looking for a sales executive. Okay. So it's on LinkedIn. If you want to apply, super easy. Get it in there. We'd love to have you as part of the team. Of course, if you're qualified.
Yeah.
But come join us and take this journey with us to the peak. Okay. So excellent. Great show today. We will be live again. Ben, are you doing lottos today?
Oh, yeah. Who's joining?
Thomas,
Are you joining me
available
or
for
Thomas,
that.
you joining
Yeah.
me?
Yeah, I'll join.
All right. Little SPX lottos. Thomas, make sure you go in Canva and update his whatever happens today. We'll have you'll see the calendar in there. Just get it updated.
All right.
Ben
Yeah, sounds good.
And we'll be live again Monday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Myself, Ben, and Mark Phillips from Harvested Financial, our partner and registered investment advisor, in case you want to professionally manage portfolio because you're sick of doing this yourself and you just want to hand over the keys. You can do that. So you'll go to our website or you go to our Linktree, linktree.com/use PeakBot and see everything, all of our services and partnerships. So I'm done. Guys, somebody have the outro? We good? All right.
Yep.
Okay, remember, this is no longer the Pulse. This is the automation station here with the PeakBot team. Thanks so much for joining in. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Thanks so much, everybody.
Later.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.